Example number 3, actually it's number 4. Example number 4. Perform the indicated operation. I know this looks very complex. We have a fraction over two fractions that are adding, and so we have a division. The best thing to do is to be able to simplify the denominator. So I'm going to go and take a little sticky note, and I'm going to cover the top. So we can't make an easier problem. We have an addition. We need to be able to make the denominators the same. As we talked before, this is a whole factor. Some of you guys are very tempted to just say, oh, I'm going minus 1 on top and on the bottom to make them the same. You can't. A factor is x minus 1 on the first one. A factor is x on the right. So I'm going to multiply the right by x minus 1. Remember to multiply the top and the bottom. On the left-hand side, to make them the same, I'm going to multiply by x. So we have the fraction on top. We have 4x over x minus 1. Do not multiply the denominator. Just leave it as x times x minus 1. On the top, distributive property, we have x minus 1 over x times x minus 1. Let's go and continue to simplify the denominator. So we have combined like terms, and now that they have the same denominator, so we have 5x minus 1 over x times x minus 1. Now I'm going to rewrite what was above, which is 2 over x minus 1. And let's go and carry over to the last fraction as well. Now we can divide two fractions by changing the division sign to a multiplication, and we are going to flip the denominator. So instead of 5x minus 1 over x times x plus 1, the x times x plus minus 1 is on top. On the denominator, we have x minus 1. In this case, the x minus 1 cancels. So our final answer will be 2x over 5x minus 1. Do not cancel the x's. Let's go over to example B. We have the same process. We have a division, and we have two fractions. I'm not going to cover the denominator so I can simplify the top. Now I need to have the same denominator in order to add two fractions, so I'm going to multiply this one by x and this one by y. In this case, I'm going to have 5x over x times y plus 1y, or just y, over x times y. Now that they have the same denominator, I can add the fractions. This will just be 5x plus y. You cannot add them because they don't have the same variables. They're not like terms. On the denominator, we have x, y. Let's go and bring this over 3 over x over 3 over x. We are going to change this division to a multiplication by the simple fact that, or by just flipping the denominator, the reciprocal. That will be x over 3. We can cancel the x. These are multiplying. There's no addition sign. So that is the reason that we can cancel the x's. This will be 5x plus y over y. Many of you guys are tempted to cancel those two y's, but because we have an addition in between, this whole thing is a factor. You cannot separate just the y. So this will be our final answer.